What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Kevin. Today I am no longer in France. Now I'm in Italy. I'm out today, gonna go to the market, maybe grab a coffee somewhere, but have a look. I got the scooter with me. Might go take a ride down on the beach down here. Have a look. Epic place to come. Check out Italy. All right, I'm gonna go check out one of the classic indoor markets right here. Always fun to check out. And yeah, let's walk around. Have a look inside the indoor market. Look at that. All the fresh Italian meats and everything going through here. All the dried fruit. Look at all those olives. For people that love the olives, right here is an amazing smell of olives, that's for sure. Fresh cheeses all over to the side here. And fresh fruit. Look at all the fresh fruit, all the fresh vegetables. I like the Focaccia bread, so maybe I'll go check out another spot. Look at all the artichokes, man. Whoa.
Mamma.
And this is everywhere in this market. It just all inside a building. Look at the guy trying to sell you something. Gucci? Look at this. He's got some Gucci. He's got Gucci. All right. And the Prada.
Gucci sarà il piccolo.
Look at that, eh? Any Hermes bags? The sacks?
No.
No.
Like anything else? Armani?
No. Oakley.
No.
Oakley.
Look, it's too good quality, yeah? Like
Wait, good quality. Yeah,
This
they
one?
look good. Yeah, but see, I have
Cartier.
Oakley.
No, Cartier.
Oh, look at now he's giving me a massage.
Look this, the sole charger.
Oh, look at this. He's got all the chargers and everything to hold on. Portable chargers. Not bad.
This one? 25.
25?
Yes, the sole.
Jeez.
The solar. Look this. Now it's charged now. Look this, no charge. Look.
Now he's got a solar panel charger.
Color. Look, no charge. Now it's look charged.
Ah, yeah, check that out. So look at this. He's got himself a solar power charger. How much?
25.
25.
You can try this.
C'est quoi ça? What's that?
The telephone stand like this.
Ah, the suction cup stand. Yeah. No bags?
No.
No bags?
Like this?
No, next week I come, you have bags?
No, you don't sell the bag.
But you don't sell the Louis Vuitton? I look for the Louis Vuitton.
You know.
No?
Take this one?
No, next time, man.
How much?
Next time.
I give you
Next
good
time.
price. 20, okay?
I'm good, man. I'm good. Let's see.
15?
It's okay, man. Gotta love having fun with these guys. Alright, let's go find somewhere to get a nice coffee. Guys, have a look at this epic bike path here to ride on the scooter. And I mean, yeah, they're doing some work cleaning up the beaches down here, but let's go for a ride on the beach here. Quiet day on the beach here. Barely anybody on it, but let's go for a ride. Nice little spot to just chill out and have lunch on the beach. For me, I think I'm gonna go to the market, maybe get me some focaccia bread or something like that. But look at the buildings, cool, eh? And yes, palm trees, gotta love my palm trees. Have a look at that. Nice little memorial here. Right in the park. Palm trees everywhere. And yeah, beautiful little park. Yeah, absolutely love these bird of paradise flowers. I mean, come on, they look so cool. And they're everywhere. Gotta love that, right? So cool looking. Alright, I'm gonna go down here and see if I can find me some focaccia bread, because I want some focaccia bread, and I don't know if I can find some, but fresh lemons. Yeah, we'll see what I can find. Fresh olive oil. Fresh flowers. Well, it's not looking good for me trying to find some focaccia bread here in the market today, but I can always go to one of the Italian bakeries and then maybe find some there. I hope. A lot of olive breads, but whoa, possibly right here. Let's see. I see a lot of bread, so it could be a possibility. Ooh la 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 la.
Buongiorno.
Buongiorno.
Prego.
Focaccia.
Focaccia. Quanta?
Wait.
Tutta?
Two, the whole thing.
Anche questa? O solo questa?
Me.
Le due, sì. Poi? Un'altra?
Half.
Così?
Way così. Così? Alright.
Ok?
Okay. Look at all that.
6 e 10.
Okay, I got me some focaccia bread. Now, let's go find me a nice place to get a cup of coffee. A real Italian coffee. Let's go for a ride. Look at all the motorbikes here, all the scooters. It's like scooter haven here. For all of them. Alright guys, have a look at this. Ordered me the biggest coffee you can order in Italy, and here it is. Look at that. Look at what it come with. A nice croissant with a little bit of chocolate on it. Looking good. Time to enjoy. I gotta say, for an Italian coffee and an Italian croissant, have a look what's in the inside of this. Oh my god, it's full of chocolate all on the inside, chocolate on the outside. Look at that. Gotta love having these Italian pastries with the Italian coffees. Hey guys, I just wanted to say thanks for watching the video today. I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, I'm out here in Italy, and sorry I haven't made a video in a little while. I've had surgery on my elbow. Just trying to take it easy, and if you guys subscribe to the channel, appreciate that. It means a lot to me. If you guys like the video, hit the like button. Maybe leave a comment. I always appreciate the comments. Thanks for watching.